Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will create black and golden smoky eye look on makeup practice. First, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Now I am preparing eyelids using concealer and powder. Taking black eye pencil and placing it on the eyelid. Then I am taking brown shade on the top of the black shade. Nicely. Taking the brown shade again and now blending all the shade. Eyeliner now. Applying brown shade on the lower lash line. Clean your brush. Then applying highlighter on the inner corner. Now I am applying blush on and highlighter on Makeup Dummy. Now eye makeup is done. Applying eyelashes. Taking the shimmer shade, applying on the eyelid. I hope you like this look. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time in my video.